Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to set up a Tradovate funded account with NinjaTrader. So here, connecting your Tradovate account with a multi-provider mode turned off is pretty simple. Download the application and then you'll have to log in with your username and password. So if you want to trade live, you can do so, or you can do a demo trading. Once you have done that, connect your Tradovate account with a multi-provider mode turned off. Press configure right here, NinjaTrader, and then right here, you want to select your credentials with NinjaTrader, your actual information, and if you want it live or just a simulation. Next, you will have to just select this connection with the menu with NinjaTrader's desktop control center, and then you'll be able to actually just connect with Tradovate and you can actually get it running. So if you wanted a funded account which is live, you can just select here live, and then you'll be able to actually go ahead and trade with Tradovate funded account with your NinjaTrader. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.